Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As you know that yesterday we have finished the chapter and today we are going to summarize the chapter and later we'll discuss the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so now let's begin this. Okay, as this is adapted from somewhere. Okay, it has been based on Indian American woman in a space, that is about Kalpana Chawla. Okay, and we'll see that. So as we have seen yesterday that this lessons is based on a tragic incident that had never happened before. It was when an Indian American, means Kalpana Chawla, the which is known for as magic woman, was part of international crew aboard in the US space shuttle Columbia, and she was the first woman born in India to go into space. As we have seen yesterday that a news report has written some tragic event what happened in the space. Okay, so in this we have seen about Kalpana Chawla's story, her childhood, everything we have seen that. So what we have seen yesterday, we have seen that US Space Shuttle Columbia, which was carrying Indian born American astronaut. She was Kalpana Chawla, and six other crashed over Texas while landing on Saturday, 1 February 2003, killing all seven on board. And sharp at 9 a.m., the shuttle lost its contact with NASA. It was flying at the altitude of over it was flying at the altitude of over 200,000 feet, and its traveling speed was 220,000 kilometer per hour when ground control lost its contact with the shuttle. Okay, so it was the 28th flight on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center. I know this will be quite difficult for you to summarize, but you can memorize some of the important points. You can write it down, and later you can summarize it by your own. The shuttle has been claimed to be a good 400 flights and more. As we have seen that Kalpana's birthplace was Karnal. She said that she never dreamed to be ever cross the ladder of space even. It was enough for her that parents permitted her to attend engineering college after her graduation. Okay, after her graduation. But in her father was all means opposition, means he was not supporting her. Kalpana went for a master degree to the United States of America after completing her bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering. Okay, later she did PhD. Her father was not supportive. Only the few members of the family were supporting Kalpana Chawla. She was married to a flight instructor. What was the name? Jane Perry Harrison. Yeah, Jane Perry Harrison. She married to means her person. Apart from being an astronaut, she was adept at flying single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was very quite talented and quite dedicated to her work. Kalpana took another challenge. Next challenge her was that she has to apply. She applied it to NASA's space shuttle program, and first she joined NASA as a research scientist, but later she was selected to training as an astronaut by NASA. People asked her about her feelings as being a woman in the field. She replied that she never thought that she was a woman, or she belonged to a small city or from another country. Rather, she had her own dreams and she followed them like any other person. She didn't notice about the question what were asked around her, but what she did, she only concentrated towards her dream work and just followed that. And people in her surrounding always motivated her to pursue her dream and carry on means with whatever the arena she or her choice. Columbia was her first space mission. It took 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes to complete. Okay. So what happened next? People were means what happened later. News came that the plane got crashed. People were quite sad and were not able to believe the news about Columbia disaster. They were stuck. They were stuck to their televisions because they were not able to believe the things what happened, right? A journalist called her means after happening this journalist was that he called him heroine because of her dedication and achievements. What she was really remarkable, and now also we are remembering her as a very good means she was quite she what she did was quite inspirational, and we can also follow her, and we can just follow that as she after means before her death what she has told something that the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it. Yes, the path to your success is existing. The only thing what you have to do, you just have to find the vision, find that you have to find the success dream path. Okay, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey, and she also best of luck to everyone, the people who might have ever started their journey to make their dreams a really reality. Okay, so this was about the Kalpana Chawla, a beautiful story about her and her life, what she did, how she was dedicated, who was her means family members, how who were supported her, everything we have seen. Now it's time to discuss about the exercises of this chapter. Okay. So it may be quite difficult for you to memorize the summary of this Indian American woman like Kalpana Chawla, but I must say you can write some of the important points in your copy and later you can summarize it. Okay, so don't forget to do that. Now we'll see working with the text. Answer the following questions. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Why she was called an Indian American? She was born at Karnal in Haryana, and she is called an Indian American because she was an Indian by birth, and later she became a citizen of United States by marrying Jane Perry Harrison. Okay. Second, when and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? Okay, after completing her graduation, she went to US for a master's degree, right? And she married a flight instructor, and his name was Jane Perry Harrison. Okay. The question number third: How did she became? How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? I think by doing her degree in aeronautical engineering from and she did PhD in aerospace engineering from States. She became an astronaut, and her success as a pilot gave her the idea that she can be an astronaut. This may be the answer. Okay. Okay, here also paragraph numbers are written. You can just take the help of the paragraphs to complete your answers, question answers. Okay. Okay. What abilities must an astronaut have according to journalist? So, according to journalist, one must have through encyclopedic knowledge. It is written there, na? Yeah, it is written in the paragraph number 6 here. It is written about her that means she was must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. So this can be the abilities to means to become an astronaut. Okay. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. First mission, yeah. You have to describe it. It may be of 2 or 4 lines answer. Okay, it can't be a short answer, so you have to give a full description. Just take the help of paragraph number 5 and you can describe it. Well, I'll do that. So, Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle was Columbia. Was about 16 days long. Okay, was 16 days long. Here it is written. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it was about 15 days long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, covering 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukraine astronaut, and the crew performed experiments. They pollinated plants to check food growth in space and conducted tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So this was the first mission in space. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? She. This is my favorite question. Do you agree with her that success is possible? Yeah, of course it is possible. Okay. She says that every dream can be a success. The only thing that one need to pursue it is courage and vision. You must have to keep a correct vision, and you must have that courage to fulfill or to achieve that success. And yes, I completely agree that with that success can be possible. Okay, so this is all about the question answers. Now we'll move to the another exercise. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. Okay, so you have to just read the newspaper and Columbia ill-fated voyage. Okay, and then you have to complete this table. From here you can do this. Here, from here you can do this. Okay, this US space shuttle Columbia's breaks into flame. You just have to read this, and after that you will be able to complete this exercise. Okay, I think you can do this. Need not to explain this much, right? So I'll just request you to do it by yourself so that it will be very easy for you. It is just a number. You just have to find out the number and you have to fill there. Okay. Okay, now here match the following. You have to match the following. So I can do this, but okay, let's do this. Okay, unprecedented space tragedy. It will be like a sad incident, accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. This will be the correct answer. Okay, second, certified flight instructor. This will be a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Okay, this will be the correct answer. Third, space mission, I think a set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Yeah, this will be the correct answer. 4, super specialization. This will be um, great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. This will be the correct answer. Encyclopedic knowledge. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Yeah. Awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring means this will be something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Yeah, this is the correct answer. And the last one is like in this age. This will be the which is left nowadays in this times. So you have to study this. You can study this all the things. Okay. Um, so I think we have no, some more is there. Okay. As I have given this in the assignment, now you have to use these phrases in sentence of your own. After finding out the first, you have to find out the word meanings, and then you have to complete the word meanings. Okay, and then you have to include these words, the phrases in your sentence. By adding un, you have to make the opposite, like identify, unidentified, controlled, uncontrolled. Like this, you have to complete this. Okay. Okay, here given below are some words that are spelled in differently in British and American English. Fill in the blanks accordingly. You have to use the dictionary, and you have to fill in the blanks with the help of dictionary, and we can fill that. Okay. So this is all about today, and the rest of the things I can say that you can read it by yourself. And just like here it is written, do you have a dream or something you very much wish to do? Write a paragraph. You can write a paragraph on this, or wish to do. Then say how you think you can make your dream comes true. Okay. And here also. Okay, so you just have to read these all the things, and later you can fill this blanks. Okay, and you have to fill these blanks British and American, like by using the dictionary. Okay, you can, by using the dictionary you can do this. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Complete your book and complete your notebook by writing your question answers and word meanings. What I have given, that you have to read the chapter and you have to find out the word meaning. You just have to do that, and read the chapter again and again to summarize the chapter in a very good way. Okay, so have a nice day to all. Bye everyone.